BuyCheapCables, #1 source for quality cables at discount prices. BuyCheapCables presents our quality Category 5 Enhanced Snagless Ethernet Cable. Engineered and tested to meet market standards, they have an enhanced electrical performance to allow them a slightly better performance than the normal Cat5 Ethernet cable. All of BuyCheapCables' Cat5E Ethernet networking cables are backwards compatible with any 10 base T or 100 base T network cards and hubs, allowing you to buy our cables and not have to switch out your older equipment. Our Cat5E Ethernet cables are constructed from 424 AWG, unshielded twisted pure copper wire strands in a PVC cable casing. A molded strain relief boot is attached at the connector, helping prevent snags and damage to your cable. The PVC jacket that wraps around these cables is CM type, which means it is good for general use. Connectors have 50 micron gold-plated contacts, which are designed to help protect against corrosion. With a variety of lengths and colors available, you can get the perfect Cat5E patch cable to meet your needs and get your network set up with ease. Standard Cat5E patch cable, only at BuyCheapCables.com.